You can never stop doing this. It's amazing. Hello, how are you guys? Welcome back to my kitchen. Welcome back with your chef Paolo. Today I'm gonna share with you one of the recipe I mostly like when I want to have some bites, something super tasty, delicious, and just super easy to make. Today we're gonna make this garlic pork short ribs with some soy sauce, some other things to make it super delicious. So let's see the ingredients here. We have 350 grams of short pork ribs, 2 cloves of garlic, some ginger, soy sauce, let's say 2 spoons of cornstarch, sugar, salt and pepper. Alright, so first thing first, we marinate our short pork ribs. Let's go. Let's put all our ribs inside a bowl. Let's add first our soy sauce, 2 spoons. Then we add 1 spoon of sugar, 1 spoon of salt, half spoon of black pepper. Then we add our 2 cloves of garlic. Then we chop really nice some ginger. Alright, all inside our chopped ginger. Last ingredients, our cornstarch. And now we make our hands a little bit dirty and we mix. Alright, mamma mia, such an amazing snack, guys. So now we keep in marination for, let's say, no more than 30 minutes, and then they're ready to be fried and eat. See you later, bye bye. Alright guys, here we are. So after 30 minutes, our super nice short pork ribs are well marinated, so it's time to fry it. Take a pan, we put some fried oil, whatever you guys oil have at home. We wait until our oil not gonna make some small bubble. It means it's the right temperature to well fry our short pork ribs. And here we are guys, our oil is ready, and now it's the time to add one by one our short pork ribs and fry it. Our portion of ribs are finishing to cook. We chop 1 spring onion to put on top. And here we are guys, look at this. Our garlic short pork ribs are ready. Wow, look, such an amazing crust. Let's put our spring onion on top. Garlic fried short pork ribs. Time to try it. You know, I love this because it's such a small bite. You can put in the middle of the table with many other dishes. So delicious, so tasty. So full of taste, so crunchy, so nice. Mamma mia! Fantastico! One bite, call another one. You can never stop doing this. It's amazing. Make it at home. Follow my steps. Super simple, super easy, and super delicious. Of course, always with your chef Paolo. Here, same kitchen, same chef, next recipe. See you later. Bye bye!